Dad, can I get some pocket money?
No, you already got pocket money yesterday.
I'll earn my own money. Ooh, nice! Slime, slime! Anyone wants to make some slime? Let's go! Hello! Would you like some slime? Yes, here's some money. Thank you.
Oops.
Wow! You know what will be nice? Glitter!
Cool, but I didn't need money.
Me neither.
I do.
Oh, hello! How can I help you?
Give them.
Glitter? Nice choice. Bye! Nice!
Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. Can I also make some slime?
Yes! Amelia sells it at her shop.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, hey Dad!
Nice shop you have. Did you make some money?
Yep.
Nice. Can I take some of your slime?
Take? No. Buy? Yes.
This is my last money.
Then you need to earn some more money.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Nice.
I get some slime too, guys.
Nice!
Oh, yeah.